Okay. Cheers. Having a tea party with my friend. They should leave him. My closest friend. Yeah. This brings me to tears. I'm having a tea party with Sarah. I think it's pretty good. When the last time I ate? Last year. I know the last time I ate? 2 years ago. Wonder why I'm dying? A lot of reasons. Want to hear some things about me? I was happily married 20 decades ago. But he died 30 decades ago. I've been alive for half of a century. You shouldn't be disrespecting a 53-year-old woman. If I'm 53. Who knows? 53 plus 50. Oh my. 103. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Anyway, you want to discuss my marriage problems? Well, one day I was having another tea party, like every day. It's a normal thing. I did something very bad. Brings me a tear. Without fear. Good thing I don't wear makeup. Good thing I can't afford it. Good thing. Well, I was sitting here in this chair 50 years ago, and he walked in on me, and it scared me, so I threw my cup at him. Yeah, I think it hit him real hard because it made a dent. And I found that dent after he died. He died right there on the spot. After I threw my plate like a sausage. These tools are weapons. Deadly weapons. They can kill you. Kill you. That's a little bit about my life.